In the vast and intricate world inside the human body, even a single sip of adrak, or ginger, begins a powerful journey to release their energy. The stomach walls respond immediately, mixed as digestion continues. Adrak travels into the intestines, where an extraordinary them directly into the bloodstream. These particles spread like tiny sparks of light, and muscles receive a gentle surge. Antioxidants activate neural pathways. Neurons fire brighter, synapses strengthen, and flowing from the core outward. Deep in the gut, adrak supports a thriving microbiome environment. Meanwhile, muscles benefit from improved circulation. Absorbing nutrients, too much adrak may irritate the stomach, causing warmth or discomfort. In rare cases, it becomes overwhelmed, its energy may dip instead of rising.